glad you could stop by again today. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. I wanted to show you my conservatory and how I've done this up. It's so lovely of you to stop by. So here is my conservatory and I've done it up for Christmas, but here's a sneaky peek on how bad it looks. Well, it didn't look bad actually. There was a couple of boxes, a couple of things thrown in here since Halloween, believe it or not, because that's how we live going from season to season, especially this time of year. So now we're actually going to show you how we've done this up for Christmas this year. I hope you enjoy it. Please give that subscribe button a tick or a punch or a prod, and also please hit that bell notification. This is all about how you can decorate your house for Christmas, or how I'm decorating my house, and to give you tips and things like that along the way. Thank you for joining me. Here's how we did it. So first of all, it's starting to put away most of the cushions and getting the Christmas cushions out. I love these ones because they all light up. And this is quickly slowed down to show you. And then the light goes. It's just on batteries and you can just turn them on and off whenever you wish. So just placing them in the right order. I've also got the ones with Noel. So the light up cushions were from Marks and Spencer's and the Noel were from the range. I'm a big fan of the range. I've just cleaned up my side table here next to the sofa and I've just spotted a mark. Now, I didn't know that mark was there because I've never seen it, because I've always kept this carpet absolutely pristine. So the way, oh careful sweetheart, the way I sort out marks on the carpet is a brilliant cleaning product called Blue Magic. If anybody watches me on television, they will know the product. I never use a dishcloth, you know the blue dishcloths that you can get from the supermarket. I never use any of those. Now normally I use a spray. I need to pour that into a spray because this is the concentrated version of it, obviously. And then all I do is go over the mark like so.
Mummy, you might not be able to
see that mark is going to completely and utterly disappear. And everything that I choose around my home, because I'm quite light colours, but everything I choose, so this is polypropylene.
Mummy, you might not be able to see your face because I can't fit her face on.
Okay, sweetheart. So this is all, there you go, it's completely gone. So I use polypropylene carpets because they're the easiest if you've got kids. In here I've got a leather suite so it can easily be wiped clean. The couch that's in the lounge, it's kind of mottled a little bit, so any marks or any dirt from the dogs etc can be wiped clean, but you're not going to see it as much. It's a brilliant system and my mum uses Blue Magic and swear by it as well, and actually a lot of people that work at Ideal World use it as well. It is a phenomenal cleaner. It's called Blue Magic and it's been going for years. So it's an easy tree, and I actually got this on a deal. Always go into the January sales, because I think this was a whopping, I don't know, something like £70 or £80, and I ended up only spending about £35 on it because I got it in the January sale, and they have it year after year. So all they do is bring it back out for December of next year. What I also love is money well spent on this tree is that it's so easy to put up. So it's actually done in seconds. So it's not like my big tree. So this room is a lot easier to do. So all you do is screw in the bottom and then pop on the top, and there's a little clip, and then pull out the branches and light up. So once again, one of my top hacks is that you put a throw around the bottom of your tree. I think it looks an awful lot better than those flat tree skirts. Just scrunch it up a little bit around the bottom and it looks fabulous. And I've got a really beautiful cushion that I'm hoping when I press this it's going to light up. There we go. That obviously goes in there. But I keep it out so then, because nobody's sitting on the couch on this one, and then I can get to it easily. And I just place it at the bottom of the tree like so. Position the reindeer as you do and it's finished. Now I've got to clear up all this table. So these will go upstairs now in the loft. And I've got another Scentsy that actually comes in here. Not that we use this a lot in the winter because it's not heated. So, but I'll bring my Scentsy in with some of the gingerbread smells and things like that. These are fake pumpkins that I bought, but they look really good. And I have them as that lovely sort of white display that you saw over Halloween. very grown up look. I'm going to try and do a table, but honestly I have such little time on my hands, but I'm going to see if I can do that for you. I'm actually going to put orange all over this so it smells lovely in here as well. So let's take these away. I give the table a good clean before I go over with the orange spray that conditions. This is a different cleaner to what I've just used because it's the orange cleaner. This is also from Ideal World, and I'm using a different cloth. Even though it's the same colour, it is a different cloth, so it's a dry cloth. So I'm just going to give it a spritz over and then rub this in, and this conditions the wood. Fabulous stuff to clean up with, and if you've been watching my hacks recently, it's in the how to make your house smell great at Christmas. I actually use this as one of them, but it can be used all year round. It's just got that really lovely orange scent to it, but at the same time it also conditions your wood. On goes the hurricane lamp, and then I put a few lights in. Also you could put a little bit of fern in there if you wanted to, a little bit of Christmas twigs, but I just leave it quite plain because I just like the look of it. And then on go the two gnomes, which I love either side, which I got from the range. And then I'm going to start in this corner, and I change the cushions and move the lovely lights. I just love my house at Christmas. I really do. It's my favourite time of year. Now, if anybody saw this, I'll leave the link in the description below. It was the fairytale Christmas tree that I made last year. And of course, it's been up in the loft, so I just have to make a few adjustments, and then I can put it back into the corner and light it up. So as you come into the conservatory, you'll see in it straight away. I love this tree, and I got a lot of compliments on it last year. Description will be below.